22 CR 10030, State of Texas versus Demond Hill. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Debbie Cruz Cortez on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Martin Guerra.
And are you Mr. Hill?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hill, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it? Off the record. Counsel, I'm sending you and your client to breakout room number 1. And we're back on the record. Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement repeater allegation. Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objections.
Mr. Hill, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Off the record for a moment. Mr. Sutton? Bowood? Bowood? Hi. Are you in court today?
I was in Impact.
Okay. All right. I'm just checking in on you. How you doing?
I'm doing real well, thank you, Jim.
All right. Have a good one.
Have a great week. Thank
All right. You too. Mama was praying for you.
you.
All right. We're back on the record. All right. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just one moment. Mr. Ross, I sent you to breakout room number 1. Is there an issue?
No, we're ready, Judge.
All right. Then the clerk will zoom in so that they can swear your client in.
Okay.
If you'll go back to the breakout room, counsel.
I will.
Do you believe your client is currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hill, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Oh, no.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Oh, no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, state recommends community supervision, and they're waiving the enhancement paragraph, and your punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? Is that the
Yes,
plea?
Your Honor. That is our understanding.
Showing you what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to enter into evidence states exhibit number 1 and all of its attachments.
No objections.
Mr. Hill, I'm showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Respectfully, we'd ask you to follow the plea bargain agreement, Your Honor. He is anxious to get his probation started.
All right, are you employed? So how are you supporting yourself?
Sorry, Judge, I didn't hear.
You need to speak
I
up.
don't know, ma'am.
So how are you supporting yourself?
I get a social security check,
For what?
retardation.
I'm sorry, for what? For what?
Retardation, social security check.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah, what did you say?
I get an SSI check.
All right, so what are you receiving it for?
Retardation.
It's mentally ill.
Yeah.
Like bipolar.
I just. They gave me. It was a mess of my life.
This is a conversation they're having privately, and the defense attorney is going to tell me. So why is he receiving SSI?
He reports he's mentally ill, Your Honor. He was taking some medication for ADHD and at least one other issue.
Cocaine doesn't help
No.
that. You understand?
No.
So do you have any children?
No.
What are their ages?
My daughter 15, my son 5.
And who do they live with?
Mothers.
So how are you supporting them financially?
I take care of my son. I have my mom. My son should get them. I don't do
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about financially. Children need to eat.
Oh, they. I
You
check.
can't live off of love.
No, they eat on my security check.
All right, if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? When's the last time you used anything?
After I smoked marijuana, we're forward to that.
All right, any other questions?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors, or there's to be proof of SSI within 30 days. So you're either going to be employed or have proof of SSI that you can't work. You understand? There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UA. I'm going to want him to do a drug test tomorrow to see what his levels are. So there's a drug test on the 10th. If he tests positive for anything other than marijuana, I'm going to want a TAP evaluation and to follow the TAP recommendations. If the TAP recommends outpatient treatment, then we'll do intensive outpatient treatment. 200 hours of community service restitution, 40 of those hours will be waived. If you provide proof of the COVID vaccination, the court is not requiring you to get it, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to want parenting classes The remaining of the community service hours will be waived with parenting classes completion, field visits 2 times per month. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
No.
All right, good luck.